This is a 40 to 220 nanometers torque wrench. Setting the torque value to 40 nanometers. The measured value is too low for 40 nanometers. How to calibrate the torque wrench? First, you need to remove the tail cap. Open the tail cap and loosen the screws inside. There is an M6 hex wrench inside. You can see the screws inside. Put the hex wrench in. Insert the screw. Turn it slightly clockwise. Then check the torque value again. Still very low. Turn it slightly clockwise. Now it's exactly 40 nanometers. Then tighten the screw. There is an M8 screw inside for tightening. After tightening, check the torque value again. After adjustment, it's now normal. Check the intermediate and maximum torque values again. See if it's normal. Set the torque value to 130 nanometers. nanometers. 130 nanometers is normal. Check the high torque value again. (220 nanometers high torque value is fine. Revert to 40 nanometers. Check again at 40 nanometers, okay? Now you can put the tailgate back on. That's it.